You have come here today because you are looking for a water softener and you're wondering what is it going to cost and which one should you buy. So today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the different systems that are on the market. Basically what we first need to do is define what kind of customer are you, right? What do you need? We have customers that they're going to need something for a year or two, people who want to live in their house forever, people who are really concerned about toxins in the water, people who are not concerned about toxins in the water. So depending on what you're looking for, that will help you define what exactly you need. So to begin with, we have the big box products. So I like to break everything to both the customer and the industry into three categories. The big box, that would be like this Water Boss right here. We are a service center for a lot of these companies like Big Box, the GE, the Water Boss. So when you're looking at some of those products, that's really geared for that person that maybe is a single person in a condo, you have a very small house, you're looking for a 1-year warranty because that's all they offer is basically a 1-year warranty. Those products are actually going to be great for you because you're just going to flip the home, or if it's one person using the water and you don't use a lot of water, it might last you well enough. By the way, I think Water Boss has one of the better warranties out of those cheaper big box products. And so what you want to do is you want to be able to say, okay, under $1,000, that might work really well for you. However, it's really geared for like 1 or 2 people, and that's based on flow rates, right? If we have more people in the home, turn on more faucets, guess what? We need to have something bigger that handles more water. So again, look at this. We got this one here that is knee high, a little over knee high, and then we have these other units that are way bigger, right? These way bigger ones are designed for bigger homes, bigger families, or worse water. So if you're looking for that and you're living in a condo, or you're on a tight budget, maybe you live by yourself, well, a Water Boss or G product at a big box store might be perfect for you. However, if you live by yourself, if you live in a family and you have a home that you have to deal with and you're looking to take out the rock and the chlorine, well, guess what? You might want to step up to the second category. The second category is the sticker companies. That's basically where Autotrol, Flack, these are some of the names you might see out there. They actually screw the valve. Basically, this valve just screws right on top of a vessel. Then there's a distributor and a filter material inside of there. So a sticker company basically is like Chuck in the Truck, Tom's Water Treatment, George's Water Treatment. I mean, even Angel Water, right? At Angel Water, we can go to a distributor where they'll take a control valve, resin, and a tank. They'll assemble it for us, and then we can go ahead and slap our sticker, that's like this guy here, slap our sticker on it and sell it to you. And now that's going to run you somewhere in the area of $1,500 to $2,100, maybe $2,500. Now, sometimes there's quality difference, right? This one here has an American-made valve, but it's got Chinese tank and Chinese resin. Again, here's the vessel, that's a tank, and then there's filter material inside. And what we're looking for, the value of the water softener, is going to be both the control valve and the filter material inside. So that's important for you to know. That's why if you call Chuck's Water Treatment, you got to pretty much guess that it's going to be made in China, right? And then it might have an Autotrol valve on it. It might have a Clack valve on it. I'm not really sure what they're going to use, but those basically are the only control valves. And I know everybody's always trying to make it sound like, hey, we're unique. Well, there's really not, right? I mean, they're all buying it. We all do it from the same company. I just want to be honest with you. It's a distributor who assembled that product. Nothing wrong with that other than what are you going to get? If you're a family of 4, you got to remember, if it's got Chinese resin in there, we see that they only last 3 to 4 years, and then you got to take this filter material out and put more filter material back in at a tone of maybe $800 or more dollars. So yes, this product might be $2,500, but in a few years, you're going to have to invest another $800 for a service tech to take that resin out, put new filter material in, right? Kind of a pain in the head. Not only that, but you have to remember, if it's made in China, if there's a flood in your house, guess what? Can your insurance sue China? No, they can't. Who learned that? We did. So I want to make sure it's clear. If we were to sell you a sticker product, Angel Water product that we just put our sticker on, that we bought to be price competitive for you with Chuck in the Truck, we have you sign a waiver saying if there's a flood, it's not our problem, it's your problem. Because what we found out is we had a flood, right? And guess who had to pay? We did. Why did we have to pay? Because the insurance company couldn't sue China because their product was a piece of junk. So we like to explain it to you. We would prefer not to sell you a chuck in the truck or a sticker product. We would prefer to upgrade you to an American-made product. Now, we're fans of a couple companies. There's Chandler made in America, and then there's EcoWater made in America. Two really great companies that everything is made in America. I think Chandler's, the resin is made in Canada, but it's good quality products. That stuff lasts longer. So that gets us to the third category, right? The professional grade. EcoWater is owned by Warren Buffett Company. Chandler is a really big company out of Ohio. So these companies actually have a lot of technology that they've invested into it, but more importantly, they're located here and they use American products, which means that they cost more money, but guess what? They serve you longer. Guess what? You also get a better warranty, right? What's the warranty with Chuck in the Truck? Well, however long Chuck is alive, that's how long it lasts, right? How long does a big box product last? A year. You get a 1-year warranty. Sometimes the vessel, they might say 10 years on the vessel. That's the canister on the outside. That doesn't mean a whole lot. I mean, look at this. This is a salt tank, 10-year warranty. Well, of course, nothing's going to break on it. But where the value is in the filter material and the control valve. That's what you need to look for when you're doing this. So American-made is critical. Where's the filter material? I'm sorry, the control valve. It wasn't made in America. 2, the filter material, was it made in America or Canada? Is it NSF 44 certified? That's the last straw, right? How do you know? You can actually go to National Sanitation Foundation and go and check, is this product, you can actually load in the product's name, is it certified to NSF 44 standards? If it is, that's a pretty good quality product. That means it's been certified. They threw thousands of gallons of water at this unit, and that filter material took the rock out after thousands and thousands and thousands of gallons. What else did it do? It took out radium-228 and 226. That's a toxin in our water. So you don't want that toxin. I mean, it causes cancer, right? It's riddled throughout all of Chicagoland, Florida. I mean, almost the whole country has radium in the water. So to me, it makes a lot of sense to find a high-quality product that actually is made in America, where we know that that filter material is NSF 44 certified. Now that cost does go up, and you're going to be $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 for a system like that. It's going to use less salt, but it's going to be certified and it's going to do great things. So whatever you're looking for, there's basically 3 levels. Again, a single person by yourself, living in a condo, the Water Boss or the GE product might be perfect for you. It comes with a 1-year basic warranty. If you want to go to Chuck in the Truck or a sticker company, that's what these things are. Doesn't really matter whose control valve that they thread on top of a tank, what filter material is in there. It's probably going to be made in China. Yes, that price point now jumps up to $2,500. Then if you want to go to professional grade, you're usually going to be $4,000, $5,000, $6,000. And by the way, sometimes, like EcoWater, they actually add carbon to their water softener, so it takes the chlorine out too. So they have a patent design on what's called the refiner, which is an amazing product that takes out the chlorine and the rock. By the way, that's for you, for some of us who have dry, itchy skin, or you have beautiful long hair and you don't want it to dry out and you don't want to buy that hair conditioner. That's where that comes in. By the way, if you ever notice your jeans, black jeans, why do they, if you look at them 1 year and then you look at them next year, you're like, wow, from dark black to kind of gray the next year. Why is that? Well, think about taking a load of laundry and just dropping a couple droppers of chlorine in there every single time you wash them. They eventually fade. That doesn't happen if you get a high quality water softener that also takes out the chlorine. Again, that price point does go up. So if you have any further questions on this, you can write us. You can click the link below. You can get connected to Angel Water. You can call us, 847-382-7800. And as you know, some of you have called me. I'll actually answer the phone because you know what? My name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you.